Hello guys, I'm here to show you how to take a screenshot in Windows 10 using keyboard shortcuts. It's very simple but very confusing here, so let's get into it. As I was saying, it is very simple but confusing here. So keyboard shortcut for a screenshot in Windows 10. After joining these two keyboard buttons, so what you have to do is to press and hold the Windows key, and then on top of the keyboard right corner, you will see a print screen there. So you press and hold the Windows key and then press on the print screen there. As you can see like a shadow on the monitor was shown. A shadow on the monitor was shown there. So, and it is saved after taking the screenshot. It is saved in pictures. Those using Windows 10 or Windows 7, I don't know. You see the screenshot here, as you can see. So here is it. As you can see what I have done, man. You see it, I'm taking a screenshot here. As you can see, these are some of the screenshots, as you can see here. So guys, this is it. It's very simple. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you.